Welcome to the job site, where we'll be talking about one of the most useful tools for precise, difficult cuts, the compact and powerful RotoZip spiral saw. With the RotoZip spiral saw, you'll cut through virtually any building material. RotoZip uses advanced cutting technology to make even the most difficult cuts easier than ever. Cut through drywall, plywood, laminate flooring, cement board, wall tile, fiberglass, and much, much more. For greater versatility, add accessories like the ZipMate right angle attachment and cut through floor tile, marble, brick, slate, and steel pipe. In fact, RotoZip can handle an almost limitless number of projects. Just click on one of the on-screen topics to see what RotoZip can do. Or if you have a question about your RotoZip product, go to the website or give RotoZip a call at the 800 number you see on the screen. We appreciate your interest in RotoZip.